Guys, welcome back. It is RacerX, and today I just want to do a fun, short little video about what it's like to actually pilot this 1,000 horsepower beast on the street. As you guys know, my Charger Hellcat is more than capable of hitting mid 9 seconds in the quarter mile, but this is the trim I keep it in basically all the time when I'm driving on the road. I'm not going to have my track tires on there, so the car is more than capable of spinning pretty much whenever I want to, but I want you guys to kind of see what I see, so everything's going to be point of view, and it might kind of just add a little bit of an interesting wrinkle for those of you that can't relate to what it's like to drive a car like this on the street. It should be fun. Also, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there on the bottom. Here we go. We got the 1,000 horsepower Hellcat. Well, there it is. There's the setup, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna be running around on the street with my helmet on. Don't care what people think. At least it'll give you guys kind of a cool view. what it's like to actually be able to pilot this thing on the street. It's quite an experience. Car is an absolute handful, but that's what makes it fun. It's kind of a true testament to just what these cars are really capable of, and just how robust they are from the factory, considering this car still has a stock blower on it. It's not like I have a Maggie or a Whipple or anything else on it. Stock blower, basically pulleys, tune, E85, and a few other goodies. But I'll tell you what, the car is a blast to drive. So if you ever get a chance to drive one of these and you haven't, make sure you do that. You got to put it on your bucket list. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, RacerX.